Today we're gonna see if we can patch electric box. If you have electric box that you don't want to use no more, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. All you need is utility knife, square, and a piece of drywall that is bigger than the hole. So make sure at least is a couple inches bigger than the hole, and we need a couple inches here. So all you have to do is mark what you want to cut. Okay, I think this should be good enough. Okay, we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it. Should cut it from the back. And all the way through. Okay, now we have a piece that is bigger. So now all you have to do is make a cut from the other side, a little bit smaller than the hole. Okay, so we got a square, a little bit smaller, and this side, so it's perfect. Got us. Okay, and you got this one here. Now we gotta do this side. Make sure this is a little bit smaller. And we cut this piece here. And this side, doing it. Okay, now we got all the boxes cut up. Just making sure this is good all the way. Okay, now you have to break it and peel it. Like this. Peel this side. Show it down. Peel this side. And last, make sure you clean the excess. Okay. Just as if it fits, and it fits. Cut this piece. Okay. And see it fits. Okay. Perfectly. Need to be here. You need to sand it a little bit. I'll sand that. We'll come back to you. Okay. So now what we do is we round the corners, so no sharp edges. So we do that like that. We end up with something like this. All right. Okay, now we get this in. Make sure you get a little bit wet, and you apply. Okay. You need it to be a little bit wet, and just apply generous amount. Okay. Like this. Put it in. Yeah. Okay, let it dry and come back with it again. Okay, after dry, just sand it lightly. Lightly sanding, and apply another coat. My mud has messed up. It's okay. And wait for it to dry, and one more coat and you're done. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more tips.